Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to fix TikTok photo sweep. It's not working, so let's start. So if you have a problem when you upload the photo sweep on your TikTok, well, for fix it, just let's go to the three lines in the top right corner. Let's click here and let's go to settings and privacy. Here on settings and privacy, just scroll down and let's go to free up space. Here on free up space, just click the cache and download. So you can clear it and then probably this will fix it. So now try to upload a picture, a photo on TikTok and check if this is working. If this is not working, the only thing that you can do is reinstall the app. So you can keep press TikTok and then let's go to uninstall and then install again. So that's the last tip that I give you. In case that you do it, well, this will fix bugs or something, problems about the software, it's not working doing this. So try the first tip, that is clear cache and data, and then if this is not working, just install the app and install once again. So guys, I hope one of these tips works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this video.